The invitation and good evening, sir. Honorable Chief Guest of the evening, Sri Anil Swarup, IAS, Secretary Coal, Government of India, and Sri Naveen Verma, IAS, Secretary Donor, Government of India, and Sri S.N. Tripathi, IAS, Additional Secretary, Development Commissioner, MSME, Government of India. He is soon going to join us. And Mr. Vipin Tyagi, ED, CDOT, and A.K. Jain, Managing Director, Rail, and Rajesh Jaini, President, India and SARC, and Sri Vinit Goenka, Member Task Force IT, Ministry of Surface Transport and Shipping, Government of India, and respected heads of various IT associations, CIO, CTOs from various corporates, and friends from various media house, distinguished speakers, panelists, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of War India, I would like to welcome to all the 14th edition of War India StarNet Award, and SNA, which is called the DNA of Channel. And War India is the frontline IT magazine of the country, has been at the forefront of the industry, having witnessed the growth of ICT industry from last 17 years. Just recently, in afternoon session, we have concluded the session where we invited the IT association from 30 plus odd cities, their deliberations and taking their pain points, what is the pain points, what is the demand in the industry, how vendors they can solve the problem, how partners they can develop the ecosystem in the business. That we have a deliberation, and very soon we are going to publish that note. So what was the market, how we place the role, how the industry is transforming, to see that the market is going to continue to grow with e-commerce rising rapidly in India's coming years. The data says around 75% of Indian internet users are in the age group of 15 to 34 years. In coming days, as internet presence will increase in rural areas, rural India will yield more e-commerce business. We are also at the beginning of seeing enterprises getting off the cloud. The need of our is to innovate is how we could offer the cloud to the enterprise. As opposed to the consumer, today communication is the backbone of infrastructure. Security is the spine of all intelligently orchestrated devices. Open source software is underway to enable digital infrastructure, and IoT will ride in the cyber world to transform the way people communicate and connect the world for a better tomorrow. The future of e-commerce also looks bright, and its growth will come from the mobile platform, personalization, social media analytics, omni-channel service, and so on. Digital infrastructure will play a critical role in several ways of life in taking digital services and e-commerce industry to an exciting phase. The interplay of social, mobility, analytic cloud, which is called SMAC, digital, 3D and virtualization will also create its own magic. The current high valuation, in spite of loss, perhaps the indicator of the future potential. I hope some people they may agree with this. Hence, it is an exciting time for the Indian IT sector and an exciting opportunity for the wars and channel partners for the wider reach. It can be said without doubt, the wars play a major role as a catalyst in the growth of the industry, and where India is always stands committed to go the extra mile for both vendors and partners. We will be learning more from the experts who are present here as the speakers. Technocrats and CIOs present here from the Indian ICT industry will discuss on how digitization will bring opportunity in government and PSUs. This year event will witness the discussion and deliberations in the Tech Talk on various key topics like digitization, connectivity in vital sectors, security, securing digital India, cloud, smart cities in India, open source, and how Make in India going to drive the world. Talking about today's events, we have gathered here to felicitate the industry performers who have been voted by the partners and wars for the outstanding performance during the year as the industry leader and chief marketing officers. Today, we are all, with your support, we have chosen the right vendors, and I take this opportunity to thank everyone for you to exercising a precious vote on our website. I expect everyone present here to have very good networking with each other. Thank you.